How to find language you don't want automatically translated. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to use language option on Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and now click on the setting icon beside the search icon and scroll down until you find language, and click on language you don't want to automatically translated. Wait for a second, and here you can choose the language. Posts in this language won't be translated unless you choose to show a translation. For example, choose one of them and just click on save. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.